Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking in Love, and today I'm going to show you how to make one of Italy's most famous dishes. Let's jump straight into the video. Sigla. So today we'll be making Italian meatballs. The ingredients are according to my liking, but I suggest you to experiment with them. Add more garlic, add more cheese, and different spices as well. So you can make your own recipe and you obviously tell me. So let's start cooking. This lovely meat in. The eggs. Oh, did you see that? I smashed them too hard. Keep mixing until the eggs are nice and incorporated with the meat before adding the other ingredients. Here we have some salt. Some fresh pepper. Give this a nice mix, incorporate everything. Salt and pepper is combined. We have parsley and garlic and we have this beautiful pecorino cheese. Boom. Give all of this a good mix. Golden breadcrumbs. Give this a nice mix. Now at this point, yes, you will see this become very dry, but not to worry, because you will be adding milk afterwards. For the milk, add it little by little, because there's a risk that you make it too liquid and you can't make that nice ball shape of the meatball. It just becomes soggy. Splash of milk. Keep this mixed. Wait until all the milk has absorbed into the meat before adding the rest of the milk. You can already smell that flavor. If you make this into a patty, you actually make a burger. This is ready. It's time to make the shape of the meatballs. We'll be making something like, like this. Not too big, not too small. Wash your hands, because when you make the ball, you don't want the meat to attach to your hands. So I'm going to show you how to make the ball. So obviously you just get a nice piece of meat and just roll it. Now, you don't want to compress them. You want to keep them nice like this. So this is going to be my size of meatball. I already started making them. Yeah, actually that one may be too big, but it's okay. I'm gonna start preparing some tomato sauce because I want to eat my meatballs with some tomato sauce. You can always just fry them and eat them on its own because they're actually quite very good on their own, but I'm gonna show you how to make tomato sauce. Actually, I already showed you, but let's do it again. Some oil. Give that a good spread. And shallots or onions. Saute them. I'm gonna add in my sauce now. Oh wow. You don't want to do that. Oh my god. Did you hear how much sizzling that was? should have lowered down the heat a little bit before. Add some water to get that excess sauce and add it in. Let this simmer, and we're gonna add some fresh basilico. But this will be ready in around 30 to 40 minutes, ready for the drop off of this beautiful meatball. Some salt, 2 or 3 pinches. That's a good mix. And this so it doesn't splash. And that's our tomato sauce done. Well, not done, but you know, done preparing. My tomato sauce is done for the moment. It's been 30-40 minutes. So now we are ready to fry in our meatballs. So I'm just gonna get move them around and frying. So basically, I'm gonna fry these and then move them into tomato sauce to continue the cooking process. But if you're gonna eat them, on their own, just cook them until they're fully cooked, and then enjoy them with some dipping sauce or whatever. But you know how it is here. Tomato sauce all the way. I could have put more actually. I should have put more, but it's okay. Okay, so these are cooked. Don't worry, they don't look too appealing, but in the sauce doesn't matter because they'll still taste good. Look at that. So my meatballs are done. I'm gonna try one. Okay. As I said before, these are fantastic on its own with some ketchup or mayonnaise, or even when they're cold, you can really taste the pecorino. It's just fantastic on its own. But I'm gonna take my meatballs to the next level. And I'm going to put them in here. So, cover all of the meatballs in this lovely tomato sauce. Look at this, look at this. It's just every person's dream to eat this. So, I'm going to put on the fire and let this simmer for about, 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so it's finally done. I have some toasted bread here. Let's dig straight in. Just gonna give you a nice shot. Okay, let's try. There it is. The tomato, beautiful, nice and salty, and the pecorino. Mamma mia, it gives so much taste. Oh, it feels like I'm back at Nonna. I love meatballs and tomato sauce so much. But anyway, thank you for coming along this cooking and oven journey once again. You know what to do. Subscribe to my channel and Facebook page. I'm gonna go and make myself some tagliatelle. I'll actually make me and my family some tagliatelle. Ciao!